it's not a bias because we have a solution, but it's really the solution that if companies choose to buy, which I totally agree, because focus on what they're good at. If this is their space, then great, focus on it. But if they're building widgets, focus on widgets, focus on your strengths. And so for us, our strength is that we bring the best content that exists in this space out there. Consider us the Netflix for DEI. We bring the best content that exists, and we curate in a way where it's sustainable and worth coming back to on a daily basis. But to that point around for an organization to embrace, we allow organizations to embrace their content as well, because organizations inherently have content. They just have it in places that nobody's going to. They have a lot of good stuff. It's just hard to find. So this platform, if you're going to use a technology solution, which we provide, the opportunity to integrate your existing company content in addition to what exists outside the offices. So you get the best of both worlds. You hear what's happening on the outside world in this space, and you hear what's happening internally in your organization. Some organizations pride themselves in their mission, and in the D&I space, we hear the awards and the recognitions, and I always do a little wink when I see those recognitions. But at the end of the day, you can go inside organization culture and really find out what's going on. Are they getting, going back to your point, Sharkan, this analytics component? Let's look at their numbers. What is their retention of their employees? Yeah, we know you're hiring, but how many people are staying? What's your percentage of your organization that are made up from a demographic standpoint? Those are all metrics. But if your technology solution doesn't come with metrics, then I think you're missing the mark as well. We bring metrics because we want to know where people want to know that they're investing their time to learn this stuff. And they want to be recognized because it goes back to the one principle with them. What's in it for me? Every employee thinks that. We all think that. So this topic around D&I, it's all built on with them. What am I going to get? So if everybody's coming in with what am I going to get, then the technology has to show that if you do what's good and what's right, you're going to be retained. You're going to feel like you're part of the solution. You're going to be ultimately part of the belonging, and you're going to be part of helping that company succeed. So that's my view on on this space. But companies should look to buy. There's a lot of good stuff out there.
Yeah, I think that's great. Thoughts like buying seems to be, unless you are somebody wanting to be invested in that space and make a product yourself, it doesn't make sense for you to build anything. But it's more like buy and then integrate in the best possible way.